Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township, and today I will show you step by step how to create a header in WordPress using Elementor. So here if you will see in the header we have our logo, and then we have different menus over here, and we can design our menus like whenever here home page is active, that's why home is in different color. Whenever we are clicking on our blog, then you will find like our blog is in active color. So today we are going to learn how we can create this header in WordPress using Elementor. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different themes developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's start creating this. So to create this, you can see now I am in the dashboard of my WordPress. Now here I am using this Element Kits plugin. So after installing this, here you can install the in plugin section, you can install this Element Kit, and then whenever we are hovering over this Element Kit, we will find this header footer option where we can create header for our site. As you can see that I have already created a footer and it is showing that it is active also. Now let's create a header. So to create a header, I will click on this add new, and then title here I will give it as header, and then entire site. And now let me click on edit content. So here if you will not activate it, then your header would not display over here. So here let me activate it and then click on edit content. Now once you will click on this edit content, it will load your Elementor page builder and we can start creating our header over here. To create this header, what I will do, I am going to take a single section over here, and then in this single section I just want to make the content layout to full width, and then column gap I just want no gap to it, and then everything, I think everything will be fine. And if I can go to the style tab, and if you want to set the background color to white, you can set it, but by default the background color will be white. So you cannot, like, if you have any different color header, if you want any different color header, you can set it like this different color to your header, but I am not using it because I am the color by default color is white. So now what we can do over here, we need two columns here. One on the left side we need a logos, and on the right side we need these menu. So what I can do, I can search here for logo, or you can search here for site logo, and you can use this site logo over here. Before that I need an inner section to create two columns, right? So let me drag this inner section over here, and then what I will do in this inner section setting also, I just want to make this inner section also a full width, or let it be let the layout of the inner section will be boxed, so that it will be help us. Now what I will do, I will search here for site logo, and let me drag the site logo on the left side, and here you can see like we don't have any site logo, right? So how we can update that one? So if you want to get a site logo like this, so first of all you have to go to let me go to the customize option, and let me show you where you can add a site logo. You can add, instead of this site logo, we have another option. We can take a image here, and we can use this image, like we can upload the logo image. Let me upload it. So here you can see that it is uploading. I will click on insert media, and then from here also what I can do, I can set the image size to full, and then link I can give it a custom URL, and then here from this dynamic tag I can set it as site URL, and it will work as a logo, like logo only. And then after that we can go to the style tab, and width, let me make it to 100% tile, and then now max width I will select it as pixel, and I will give it a 160 pixel. So we need this image should be on left align. So how we can do that? From the alignment section we can give it a left align like this. And on the right side we need menus over here. So before that what I will do, I will go to this column setting, and I will make the column width percentage to 30%, so that I will get a lot of space for my menu. After that, here if I will go to the widgets, and here if you will search for nav menu, you will get a default nav menu or element kits nav menu. You can use any of them. As you have we have created only one menu we have, which is main menu. Now you can set the position like horizontal or vertical, or drop down you want to set, and then if align, if you want to show it right align, center align, or left align, you can do it. After that, pointer will be like, if you want to give any pointer, here you can see that when we are hovering over it, it is getting underlined. If you don't want to set any pointer, you can make the pointer to none. And then sub menu indicator. So if you want any sub menu indicator, you can create a character like this one, which will indicate we have a sub menu. And then here we mobile drop down, which will be a breakdown, where the mobile drop down will come. You can, and then full width, you can enable this to make it full width. And then align, just give it a center. Toggle button, if you want to give it a hamburger, and then toggle align should be center. So these things are basically for this. Like if you will see, if it is none, then it will not display anything. So I have selected it as hamburger. Align, it is whenever you can set it as center. And then here whatever toggle align you want to give, so I have set it as right align for the mobile and tablet view. Alright, so now we have this menus over here. So now we can go to the style tab and we can start customizing it. So first of all, we can start from the typography. So whatever typography you want to set it, let me make it 1.05, and then you can give, let me make the font weight to 700, and then line height to 2.5 em. All right, now, and if you here, if you will note, if you want to make all the text to capitalize, you can set it as upper, or if you want to make them capitalize, you can do it according to your choice. After that, here we have this normal, hover, and active. What does it mean? So in normal, you can set a color, and then on hover, if you will notice, whenever we are hovering over it, it is changing. So on hover, you can set a different color. Let me pick a yellow color over here. In the same way on active, when the page will be active, as you can notice here, we have a yellow color with active. Let's check, so let's make it red, so that it will, whether the page is active or not, we can get it. After that, we are getting this horizontal padding and all. We can set the space between, so let me change the space between to 32, or I will make it to 20 will be fine for me. After that, we are getting this drop down. So here you can set a drop down like whatever text color you want to set. Suppose let me give it a text color of white, and then I want to give it a background color of this red. And then you can, in the same way, you can change the typography of it. Border type, I want to make it a solid, and then border width, I just want to give it a 10 for border width. And then now for this color, let me again choose a red color for it, and I don't need any border radius here. Horizontal padding, I just want to give it 20, and then vertical padding, I want to give it 15. And then if you want a divider, you can set it, or if you don't want any divider, you can remove it. And then we have a toggle button over here. So you can change the toggle button color also, whatever color you want. Let me give it a toggle button color to a red color. Alright, so now let me update it, and let's view our page, what we are getting. So here you can see I'm up here, this is my menu over here. So my this logo is not aligned properly, right? So how we can do that one? Go to this column setting and vertical align, make the vertical align to middle, so that the image should be come in middle. Now whenever you will refresh it, so here you can see that this is what. Now we have some sub menu over here. So now let's go to the menus and let's check what whether we have some sub menus or not, or we can add some. Okay, we have some menus, but it is not displaying there because these are not pages. So I can, let me save the menu again, and here I will open the page. Basically these are not of pages, that's why here it is not coming in drop down. But here if you will have a page, and then it will definitely come in the drop down option in this as a sub menu. Alright, now whenever you can see, now whenever I will go to this home page, so this is what coming, but why it is not showing in my why my header is not coming in home page. So now for that, what I need to do, first of all, let's go click on this exit to dashboard, and then as here template, here I have selected this, let me make the template to Elementor full width, and then click on update. Now whenever I will refresh the page, so once you will set it as Elementor full width, here you can see now we are in home page, that's why this home is coming, but we don't have any other pages, so no, like we cannot do anything with these. But now you can see as we are in home page, that's why the home is in red color, and when we are hovering over other menu items, those are coming in yellow. So with this we have successfully achieved our header that exactly we want to create. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.